Getting started is easy. You will receive your one-time login credentials in your email. Enter the provided credentials and create your new password to access your personalized dashboard. Now let's set up your availability. All you have to do is access your calendar on the dashboard. With just a few clicks and a simple drag, you can create open slots for customers to book appointments. Don't have access to the dashboard? No worries. You can use the Klink Partner app on your phone to do the same. You can easily create new slots available to customers with a couple of taps. Once you've set your availability, customers can easily find and book your services through the Klink app. You will instantly be notified when a booking request is made. It will pop up on your dashboard and on the app's homepage. All you have to do to accept appointments is to click on the tick, and it will then appear on your latest appointments section. With these simple steps, you can manage your schedule and appointments effortlessly.